Welcome to part 2 of the burnout kiln. In this episode we're going to be installing the thermometer. I'd like to give a shout out to my nephew Chris, the donator of the thermometer. In keeping with my recycle, reuse, restore, all that stuff, it was from the scrap pile. We assume it works. It looks like it works. But I assume it's scrap because when it gets bumped the dial moves, but it still looks like it should be good. Knock wood on that one. This is a quick one. I didn't record everything. Didn't feel necessary to show you how I drilled the pilot hole. Got any questions, always just put them in the comments. That's about it. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for sticking with me. I appreciate it. Things are slow, but slow and steady wins the race. So have fun, and we'll see you soon with part 3. Installing the floor. Alright everybody, take care, be safe, and we'll see you soon. So this is what we're going to use to punch out the hole for the thermometer. I got this. This was left to me from my grandfather after he passed. Used it on several occasions. I got more than this from him. I got a lot of knowledge. He taught me a lot of things. I do half of what I do just from what I learned from him. So anyway. This is basically a knockout punch, they call it. The Greenlee number 735 knockout punch out of Rockford, Illinois. And kind of a basic principle. So you drill a pilot hole, the size, drill or make a pilot hole, doesn't have to be perfect to get that screw through. Put that through the sheet metal, and then, well, you'll see it work. Then you just tighten this down, and it slowly and it shears a hole. They call it a knockout punch, but really, I'd say it's more of a shear. Anyhow, this is what I used. Let's get to it.
standard.